Lile jambo ambalo tunashughulikia wakati huu ni vita dhidi ya pombe haramu, mihadarati na madawa ya kulevya, ambao imethuru idadi kubwa ya vijana, watoto wetu na watu wazima ambao wanapoteza maisha yao, wengine wanakufa, wengine wamekuwa waathiriwa, wamekuwa waraibu, na kila siku hakuna kazi wanafanya, hawasaidii familia zao, hawana majukumu yoyote ya kijamii ama ya kiuchumi. Na kwa hivyo tumeona janga hili ni janga kubwa kwa usalama wa taifa letu, na lazima tuangamize janga hili. Wale ambao wanauza madawa ya kulevya, pombe haramu na mihadarati, tumetangaza ya kwamba lazima wakome hiyo biashara. Tutawakomesha, na safari hii hakuna the people who are involved in destroying the Kenyan population through drugs and illicit killer brews. Their time is up, and we have a national-wide enforcement measures which we announced on 6th of March this year in Nairobi, and therefore we are going around the country to see the progress made. So far there is a bit of progress. We've discussed with my colleagues here, the County Security and Intelligence team. We've made some progress. We've arrested, seized over 300 rolls of bang. We have also arrested over 100 people, and 44 of them have already been taken to court. They are at various stages of prosecution. The others, we are completing investigations and will be charging them in due course. We have also intercepted illicit alcohol, and we have closed down 296 establishments which were selling alcohol. They were licensed, but they were licensed contrary to the Alcoholic Drinks Control Act, which requires, among other things, that no alcoholic establishment should be within 300 meters proximity with a learning institution, a basic learning institution. So we are on course. Tunajaribu vile tuwezavyo, wenzangu hapa wamejaribu, lakini pia nimewaambia wakaze, sababu we want more results. Hii shida lazima tumalize. Iko watoto hapo wanavuta bangi kila wakati. Kuna watu hapo wanauzia watoto bangi. Hii Embu hii, sehemu ya Runyenjes, sehemu ya Mbere, Kiritiri, Siakago, na hiyo mambo yote ya bangi tunamaliza. Na wale ambao ni waraibu tutawapeleka rehabilitation. The government will take every addict to rehabilitation, restore them to normalcy so that they can go back and contribute to national development and raise their families, take care of their children and become responsible people. So hapo ndio tumefikisha. This matter is no longer a social issue, it's not an economic issue, it's a national security matter. And this is not a temporary operation for months or for a year or for two. We will do it forever, as long as the problem exists. Second generation manufacturers of alcohol, we are vetting them. We will be announcing in 2 weeks' time a new measures of how many of them will be licensed again, depending on passing the threshold for quality control and public health and safety concerns. And we have also given other measures, up to 25 measures, that will make it impossible for people to use the space of manufacturing second generation alcohol to kill the people of Kenya. We have directed that ethanol be denatured so that it becomes impossible for it to be diverted to distilleries. It can only be used for industrial use and not for alcoholic beverages. And that those 25 measures are in place. We have also asked public officers who own bars to close them, especially public officers who are involved in law enforcement. They must shut down bars even if they are licensed, because it brings conflict of interest if you are running a bar and you are enforcing the law in the same area of alcohol. Officers, especially National Police Service and other agencies who have served for more than 3 years, must leave and that program is ongoing. Here in Embu, we've started actually, but the process will be completed in the coming days. We will be transferring 292 police officers from various police stations and police posts. This matter is no longer a social issue, it's not an economic issue, it's a national security matter. And this is not a temporary operation for months or for a year or for two. We will do it forever, as long as the problem exists.
Bwana Waziri, what